Facebook India's officials were grilled on hate posts on the social media platform today by a Delhi panel in connection with the February 2020 riots in the capital. The social networking giant was asked to share details of the religious affiliations of its public policy team as well as its board of directors. In a live-streamed session, the company that now goes by the corporate name of Meta faced tough questions on the religious affiliation of its staff as well as its company policy on hate posts. Now, the Delhi committee asked if any hate speech policy specific to India, which has 40% of Facebook's total users across the world, is there, to which FB officials said, we have a global comprehensive policy which is evolving and local inputs are added from time to time. The Delhi committee then asked what measures and actions have been taken by Facebook against hate content between January and April 2020, that is the period during which the Delhi riots took place. To which Facebook officials responded saying, we are exercising our right as per the Supreme Court order. Law and order is centre's domain. The Delhi committee then asked Facebook about third-party fact-checkers, to which Facebook responded, we have a tie-up with 10 fact-checkers in 11 languages, while the platforms allow 20 languages. The committee said, what is the composition of your board, policy team and content policy team? To which Facebook responded, saying, we cannot share employee details.
Now, the Honorable Supreme Court in its judgment had graciously acknowledged the complexity of communal tensions and their wide-ranging ramifications. And it is in this context that this committee would like to know, has Facebook India defined hate speech in the Indian context?
Respected Chair, hate speech falls into one of the categories in our community standards. We do have definitions around it. I'm happy to share. In fact, I'm carrying some of our safety documents here, which I can leave behind with you and also point you to the community standards. Hate speech definition is very much there. But as you understand, platforms like ours have to work on complex issues which have to balance both free speech and privacy safety at the same time. So it is very difficult to say that the definition is always going to be perfect. It is always ever evolving. For example, in India, when we started work and over the years, we realized, for example, caste could be a factor based on which hate speech could be put out. And it is basis the inputs from civil society organizations in India. We evolved the hate speech definition to include caste slurs in that as well. So my limited point is that while yes, there is a classification of hate speech which takes into account local factors, but our community standards are a global document to make sure that we are able to function that, make it function in every jurisdiction.
So you have defined hate speech in the Indian context in that document.
Hate speech is defined in the community standards. I leave it to your judgment whether it takes care of the Indian context or not. I gave a small example where a specific Indian
whether
context.
it takes care of the Indian context or not is a separate debate. Have you specifically defined hate speech for India? It could be a narrow definition, it could be an exhaustive definition. But has Facebook India or Facebook INC defined hate speech qua India?
Respected Chairperson, our community standards is a global document. We believe hate speech definitions apply uniformly across the world. And whenever there are local considerations, we would take that into account, as I just gave a specific example. Beyond that, when hate speech issues, when in our consultation with civil society organizations are put across to us, we do take those inputs on board, not just through our definitions, which are ever evolving, but also through the content policies that we have to make sure that we are not missing anything really big on any
I'm sorry, I'm not able to it's a simple yes or no. Is there a specific definition of hate speech in the Indian context? It's a yes. I understand there are community standards. I also understand that, it could not be a static exercise. It keeps on evolving. All that is very well. But do you have a specific definition of hate speech for India?
The hate speech definition in the community standards is applicable to India as well.
So there is a specific definition.
Hate speech is a part of our community standards and those definitions apply to India.
There is, Mr. Thukral, what could be hate speech in the US may not be hate speech in India. Right? It is in that context that I'm asking, is there a specific definition of hate speech for India?
We believe the hate speech definition that we have in the community standards is
For all jurisdictions?
Is ensuring that it takes care of the issues in India, sir. I'm happy to share it with you, and then I'll leave it to the committee's judgment. But we believe the hate speech definition that we have.
Okay. From your answer, is my understanding correct that you have one comprehensive definition of hate speech that applies to all jurisdictions?
To the best of my understanding, the way our hate speech definitions work, it is used as a part of our community standards, and I think the concern that you're raising for a country like India, the hate speech definition in the community standards would cover that.
No. Hate speech you have defined on the basis of Indian laws or on the basis of global laws?
Correct.
Respected member, as I said, we respect local laws. We do take into account all the issues pertaining
It is
to...
specifically applicable in India.
It is my understanding that the way hate speech definitions in our community standards are, it does take...
Applicable only in India, not globally.
It is definitely in line and applicable as far as Indian laws are concerned as well.
Well, my colleague Arvind Gunasekar spoke with the Aam Aadmi Party's Raghav Chadha after Facebook's India officials were grilled on hate posts today.
Is the committee satisfied with the deposition or the answers of the Facebook officials regarding the role of the hate post, hate content on Facebook that also resulted in the communal riots, the worst communal riots in the national capital in February 2020?
A large variety of questions were asked. Some of them were answered, some of them they had said will be answered in a written form when they will furnish information before this committee, etc. As far as my personal satisfaction with the proceedings or with their answers is concerned, since I am the chairman of the committee, I would refrain from commenting on it. However, the committee will certainly, on the basis of the answers that we received today and on the unasked questions that are there with us, will certainly arrive at a conclusion whether to invite them again before this committee for the proceedings or not.
So after this over 2 hours of proceedings today, so is the committee expected, or is there any possibility that the committee will call any other officer, preferably the content policy head of the India or any such person with such designation, to depose before the committee?
Right. When questions regarding removal of content, particularly during Feb 2020 when the unfortunate Delhi communal violence took place, were asked to the representatives of Facebook, their view was that they don't directly deal with this matter, and there is a separate team called the content policy team, and the officials of that policy team are best placed to answer this question. We have requested them to furnish their answers to us. If they can't and if they are unable to, we would be constrained to invite more officials of Facebook India who are domain experts and who will be able to provide this information before this committee for us to understand the functioning, the integral nuances of Facebook in a much better manner.